Hello friends, now I am going to discuss about organic farming. It is the part of biodynamic agriculture. What is organic farming? Organic farming works in harmony with nature rather than against it. This involves using techniques to achieve good crop yields without harming the natural environment or the people who live and work in it. What does it include? It involves the use of biological materials, avoiding synthetic substances, and maintaining ecological balance, thereby minimizing pollution and wastage. It includes processes like crop rotation, green manure, organic waste management, biological pest control. What is aims of organic farming? To maintain the long term fertility of the soil, to reduce the input cost, to effectively utilize the natural resources, to avoid all forms of pollution caused by agricultural techniques, to provide a quality foodstuff. There are different types of organic farming as permaculture, ranching, hydroponics, dryland farming. What are different techniques used in organic farming? Mulching, so that is for maintaining moisture into the soil. Biofertilizer help to improve the fertility power of soil to maintain the normal composition of macro and micronutrients into the soil. Vermicompost, vermicompost that help to uh, remove weeds and to enhances the nutritional uh, value, or you can say soil fertility of the soil. Seed treatment that again useful to uh, induce germination in time or to develop vigorness into the soil, into the seed, and improving the germination power of seed. So therefore, so there is need to treat seeds with some chemical agents or some plant hormones, so thereby increasing germination power of seed or reduces the dormancy of the seed. What are the uses and benefits of organic farming? First, main use, reduction of toxic substances in the environment. So naturally when we use natural resources to propagate, to cultivate, or to grow crops as well as medicinal plants, so naturally reduces the toxic substance level into them as well as into the environment, so thereby beneficial for the health of human being. Job creation, so naturally when we use these different resources and when we use different techniques or methods to methods for organic farming, so naturally develop an employment or job creation for unemployed youth. Assisting the fight against climate change, so due to odds environmental conditions or fluctuation in environment, so affect over the crop yield as well as over the quality of product. So variety that develop or organic farming, so that give natural boosting to the crop to fight against the diseases as well as against climatic change, increases adaptability of plants against earth's environmental condition or climatic change. Preservation of the culture of agriculture. Our nation is based, means economy of our nation is based on agriculture. So naturally when motivate or provide knowledge or motivation to peoples for organic farming, So natural heritage or culture of agriculture may maintain, okay, in our nation. So indirectly that organic farming help in the preservation of culture of agriculture, reduction of farm waste. So naturally when we use this waste as a manure to prepare compost or uh, for different practices, so reduces the farm waste in the field and help to maintain environment, uh, pollution free environment. Scope in India. India's rich heritage of agricultural traditions make it suitable for designing organic production system. With greater political will and investment in research, extension and marketing infrastructure, more of this potential could be realized. The Agronomy Division of Indian Agriculture Research Institute has started many courses including package and practice of farming, organic farming, which can promote great career opportunities in organic farming. So nowadays, people are attracted towards organic foods, organic products because of uh, adverse effects or the hazardous effects of um, fruits, vegetables, or the uh, foods due to synthetic pesticides, insecticides. So many diseases or disorders are developed due to the traces or means because of use of these insecticide and pesticides abundantly to get more yield. So affect directly or indirectly affect over the health of human beings. So that's why people are naturally attracted towards organic food and products or natural food or products. So there is too much scope in our nation because of huge population in our nation, more than 135 crores population. So rely over the agriculture because agriculture is the main base for our economy. So there is too much scope in our nation for organic farming as compared to the other nation. Grown of organic farming in India. So this is the chart indicate. So there is continuously increasing popularity of organic farming as well as organic products in our daily life or routine life. Thank you one and all.